So I purchased it for the light, which are on the side. You just slide out. It has 2 lights on each side, and it takes 4 AAA batteries. I took off the cover so you can see, and the bonus is the middle light, which is a laser to mark the distance where you need to throw it from. And it comes with a mount, which I already mounted, and I'll show you in a second. So once the batteries are in, here's the on and off switch. So it comes with 3 different settings. You push it, and it turns on all 3. You push it again, turns off the laser, only the lights. Push it again, only the laser. Lights off, and then it turns off. So let's mount it and show you. So this was my dartboard, no lights, and here is the mount. As you can see, just 2 screws on each side. Easy, mounted to the wall. You slide in the back first, and it clicks in right in front, right there. Perfect. So there you go. Doesn't take away from the dartboard. Looks pretty nice actually. So there you go. And it has little knobs on top, so you can move it so the light moves. I tilted all the way so it could be facing the board on both sides. There you go. And the laser is marked right there. I taped it off to see where you mark it. All you do is tilt this up. Oh, it has a little knob as well, right here on the side. So we tilt it, and the laser moves, and there it is. Perfect. A little less. All right, there it is. Now let's turn off the lights and see how it looks. Look how beautiful that looks. All lighted up, you can see everything. And the best part is the laser, so you know where to throw it from.